Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Mikulowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the Aussie versus US dollar. Today's date, December 13th, 2024. It's Friday, so we're heading toward the end of the week. What do we do this week? Can we look forward to next week? That's what I'm going to go through in this video, so let's get started. I'm going to start by taking a look at the daily chart because this week we came down right to the edge of the support swing area right through here. This swing area is defined by three separate lows. Going back to November 2023 and then April 2024, and finally in July, August 2024 as well. Those levels came between 0.6334 and 0.6363, and the low price came right down to the low of that swing area and bounced back to the upside. So as I say in hockey, kick, save, and a beauty on the bounce off of that level. What did the bounce do and where do we stand now? Well, to understand that, you have to take a look at the hourly chart. And if you take a look at the hourly chart, the bounce back came right up to the 200-hour moving average. That's this falling green line right through here. And what do? We found willing sellers against that level. A few days ago, the price moved a little bit above that level, but came into the low of this swing area, found willing sellers. This time with the price lower, or the moving average lower, the price came up to that moving average. And once again, kick, save, and a beauty. At the highs here. So we have support down here against the low of the swing area. Resistance came up here to the 200-hour moving average and found willing sellers. Now, what about the story going forward? You can see that in price in trading today, the price moved higher and we moved up toward the 100-hour moving average, but didn't quite reach that level. That's going to be the first level to get to and through to show that the buyers at least are winning a little bit, and it doesn't necessarily mean that they're winning the war. They just won a small battle. So getting above that level would be the first key level that would prove a victory. And then getting above the 200-hour moving average, obviously at 0.6411 would need to be established to show that they're winning again. And then we start to look toward this swing area up here between 0.6433 and 0.641412, followed by the falling 100-bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. So whenever you trend in a directional bias, and we've been trending to the downside here in the Aussie versus US dollar, getting more control requires getting above the levels broken on the way and proving that you can get above those levels. So that would be the progression to further bullishness and give the buyers more control and give the sellers more concern. Until then, however, the sellers are more in control. Now, we recall from the daily chart that the 63 level was the other level on that swing area near the bottom. So this area right here needs to be broken to increase the bearish bias. And you can see how the price tried to get below the 63 level a number of different times, including currently right now. So the sellers are trying to make a play below that 63 level to increase the bearish bias. If they can stay below that level, then we look down toward our 34, 36 level on the downside as measured by the daily chart. Once again, that's this swing area right through here between 34 and 63. So get below that level opens the door for further selling with this level down toward 0.6269, the next key target ahead of the swing low going back to 2022, which was down here near 0.61738. So that's my tactical look at the Aussie versus US dollar. Obviously, the sellers are more in control. We'll see if they can keep control or the buyers can start to scratch away at that control. We will see. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.